Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Chrome to your dock on your MacBook. Let's get started. First, make sure you've already downloaded and installed Google Chrome. After installation, you can find Chrome in your Launchpad. Just swipe left or right and you'll see Google Chrome at the end of the list. Go ahead and open Chrome from there. Once Chrome is open, you'll see its icon appear in the dock. However, if you close Chrome using Command+Q, the icon disappears from the dock. So, if you want to keep Chrome in your dock permanently, here's what you need to do. Right-click on the Chrome icon in the dock. You can do this by tapping with 2 fingers on the trackpad, or using your preferred right-click method. Go to Options and select Keep in Dock. That's it. Now even if you close Chrome, the icon will stay in your dock, making it easy to open anytime without searching in Launchpad. So simple. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.